Okay. Okay, since Mommy already started, let's see what this one is. It looks like grape. It do smell like grape too. And it's sticky. Mommy, we'll open some more. And the flavors are, this one is orange. And this one is marshmallow. This one is cherry. Which one, Mommy? Mommy got cherry too. This one is watermelon. And this one is banana. Which one you want to open first, Mommy? This one. Mommy? Don't like them mixed together. Put my slime in there. It don't fit in there, Mom. It's not too big. What happened? They can't fit all in there, Mommy. I took the cherry one, because it smells just like cherry and it's like the same color as cherry. And like, if I had to pick out a cherry or strawberry, I'll pick cherry. That's this one, my favorite. So, I'm gonna I give the slime a 10 out of 10 because like I didn't like it at first because it was all sticky, but now that we play with it, it's like not that sticky no more. Moni, what you think about it? Do you like it? No, it's sticky. Do you like the slime? Yeah, she likes the slime. Okay, that's it for today on Slimetime with Moni. Bye.